you're going today? I hope you're always fine and stay healthy. So, in this video, we will learn about voiced and voiceless sound in English. Let's get started. Okay, let me start from voiced sound. What is voiced sound? Voiced sound is the sound that comes from your throat with vibration. So, when you say the sound, your throat will vibrate. The opposite of voiced sound is voiceless sound. It comes from your throat without vibration. Remember, without vibration. So, when you say the sound, your throat doesn't vibrate. Okay, these are a group of voiced sound. They are b, d, g, v, the, z, z, m, n, l, r, w, y. When you say this sound, your throat will vibrate. And these are of the group of voiceless sound. They are p, t, k, v, th, s, sh, j. When you say the sound, your throat doesn't vibrate. Okay, next, we will learn about consonant pairs. Consonant pairs is sounds that all can be put into pairs because both are produced in a similar way. For example, pill and bill. They have same sound, but they have differences. Try, dry, sit, zip, could, good, fan, van, choke, joke, cash, casual, throw, and though. So, that's it for today. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it will helpful for you guys. See you in the next lesson. Stay healthy and keep learning. Adios.